Hello friend, let us try to understand the crystallization student. Okay. Many times students get confused what is the crystallization, okay, and what is use of application. So today in this video we are going to understand the crystallization in detail. So they are saying crystallization, okay, crystallization is the process of atoms or molecule arranging into well-defined rigid crystals lattice in order to minimize their energy state. Okay, it means that is this type of particles are there, students, okay, in the solution. Okay, so what it is going to happen, dear students, it is going to going to obtain the specific shape, students. This is the specific shape. This is what is known as a student crystals. Okay, crystals. So let's have look, student. Okay, let's have look. So crystallization is the process of atom molecule arranging into well-defined rigid crystal lattice in order to minimize their energetic state. The smallest entity of the crystal lattice is called unit cell. The smallest entity of crystal lattice is called unit cell, which can accept atoms or molecule to grow a macroscopic particles. Right? Keep in mind, student, the smallest entity of crystal lattice is called unit cell, which can accept the atom molecule to grow macroscopic particle. So that is what is known as, student, unit cell. Okay, so firstly these atoms are together crystallizing, student. Okay, crystallizes from the solution to form the rigid specific shape. This process is known as what? Crystallization. What do you mean by crystallization? Crystallization is defined as the process by which chemicals is converted from a liquid solution into solid crystalline state. So that is, if it is converting into solid form, that is what is known as crystallization. What happened during the crystallization, students? When a product is made as a solution, one way to separate it from the solvent is to make crystals. Okay, so what they are saying, that dear students, that keep in mind, during the crystallization, when product is made as a solution, okay, one way to separate from the solvent is to make crystals. This involves the evaporating the solution to a much smaller volume and then leaving into the cool. As a result, cool crystals form. These can be obtained from the filtrations. Okay, so that is very easy, student, that you can understand. What is crystallization used to separate? Crystallization is powerful and versatile technique to separate components from a liquid mixture. This liquid mixture may be an impure melt or solution, which refers to case that one or more components are dissolved in the liquid solvent. Okay, so what is the crystallization example? Some common example of crystallization are listed below. The crystallization of water to form ice cube of snow, the crystallization of honey when it is placed in a jar exposed to the suitable condition, the formation of the stalagmite and the stalactite, especially in the caves. Okay, what is the crystallization? Crystallization is a natural process which occurs as a material solidified from a liquid or they precipitate out in a liquid or gas. This can be caused by physical change such as temperature change or a chemical change, which is acidity. Okay, which solution does crystallization exist? Okay, in order to crystallization to take place, solution must be supersaturated. Supersaturated refers to a state which the liquid contains more dissolved solute that can ordinarily be accommodated at that temperature. So this is all about the answer, students. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.